my little sweet tooth. Around Christmas time, I think I have way too much sugar because I love a punch crème, I love a black cake, and then I love ice cream. So because Sundaes has all these wonderful flavors of ice cream, I decided that I'm going to kind of do a little combination of everything. So I have some black cake that I mashed up, some nice fruit cake. I have this flavor of Sundaes that I'm using, which is the cherry vanilla. I'm kind of getting real kind of cool on all the variety of flavors from Sundaes. So I'm going to use this cherry vanilla and I'm going to pull together a real simple but real luxurious Christmas cake sundae. Yeah? Roll up. And I have a very special guest standing by. So I try and keep it under wraps until I get this sundae right. First thing, I want to kind of get some of this lovely cherry vanilla. Oh my goodness. Cherry vanilla kind of takes you back to childhood. Huh? I think, you know, it has a kind of childhood. You think of that nice homemade ice cream kind of vibes. So I'm just going to get a couple of scoops in a big bowl and I'll tell you why I'm doing this. So yes, nice bowl of cherry vanilla ice cream. And what I want to do now is to kind of just mix in some stuff. I have some almonds that I toasted. Toasted almonds. And you toast nuts is really amazing. It kind of gives it that nice little nutty flavor that comes out. Some mixed peels. So this goes, you know, this goes into your black cake and your fruit cake and that kind of thing. I'm mixing that into my cherry vanilla sundae ice cream. And I want to just kind of mix this in together. So kind of just, yeah. And I'm ready to kind of build my sundae. So I have 2 glasses, my scoop. And what I want to do is start with my fruit cake. So I have some fruit cake that I really just want to take and get a nice little layer to the base. Layer to the base. Fruit cake is like, you know. And I just now want to do a layer of ice cream. Yummy, creamy, cherry vanilla ice cream from Sundaes. Just enough. This is the only time to get it a little pretty. So I made a simple caramel raw sauce that I just want to kind of do a nice light drizzle on both. Yeah. Oh yeah. Prettiness. Remember, let's get these subs. I think it's like little red and green sprinkles. These are cool. So we're going with this. A little sprinkle. Sprinkle. Looks nice and Christmassy. A little green. So I have one more step, but I want to introduce my very special guest before, because I want her to finish this step for me. Ladies and gentlemen, today is Christmas. It's been a rough year. Lots of people have different things happening in their lives, and sometimes you don't know what's going on in people's lives. But we've reached the end of the year, 2024 is approaching, we're celebrating. Because we have to celebrate life. And I've known this lady has been a friend of the show for so many years. She was actually on our very first season of Cover Joe 10 years ago. I'm celebrating the Queen of Comedy. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Nikki Crosby.
Hey, te modelo chiara poi è trela para che sta noche me l'ombre oh starà qui oh my god
this is a more very before our ice cream melt. I want you to do a little whipped cream.
Oh, I feel it's a setup, it's not a setup.
No, it's not. Cream will come out.
Right.
Yeah.
Well, how you want it in a
You
swirl?
do you.
Let me do me.
Whoa,
Fancy
whoa.
thing. I like plenty.
You like plenty cream, obviously. So they like plenty cream.
That's the best part of a son. Oh, you chunky. God, I don't know.
Cherry on top, it's in the game. So much in cherry, not staying on
That's
top.
alright, the
Cherry
balance.
balancing.
Like two eye watching, man.
Have a seat, madam. Have a seat.
You're
Let's
not so fancy.
Let's
So
have
thanks for inviting me to the best part of the show, which is
best part of the show.
dessert. So we have dessert here for anything, or we just dive.
We just
It's before meals.
Yeah, I said pre-set of the show.
Very good. So what is happening, boy?
This is a Christmas cake sundae. And you can create your own sundae. I use some
Oh my
fruit
gosh.
cake.
I like that cherry. It's cherry vanilla.
Cherry vanilla by sundaes. You've been outweighed.
Yeah, 2 years, boy. I feel like I was in prison.
Oh,
Serious.
Is that one?
I'm actually
You missed home. You missed home.
And I missed everything about home. The food, the people, you know, that's my tribe.
Yeah, that's not easy. You have already left such a legacy in terms of your career work and the things you've done. And I just kind of want to get into where you see those things, because talking from the comedy that you've done, from the on-stage work that you've done, from Nikki Land, from Granny. I miss Granny.
I know.
I love Granny.
She wanted to come. And then I had to see her thing. I'm going to Granny.
I love it. But those things mean and have meant so much to Toronto Tobago and the wider Caribbean and the world. Any of those things you see as part of your future?
Granny, definitely.
Granny.
Granny, so when people see me now, they think you look so young. Psychology in your tail. That's what's going on with psychology. Get a Granny when they see you, oh my God, it's so beautiful. But no, I've been writing a sitcom for Granny also. Yeah, and the concept is that Granny has moved to the US because her grandson is married to an American, but she's pregnant, so they want Granny to come and take care of the baby.
Oh wow.
It's not a good thing, because Granny coming with a whole very Caribbean kind of values and culture of that, you know, versus like the whole American system.
I'm seeing it.
You see it. You see it. Okay, so I'll give you one other thing. Like Thanksgiving is a big thing in the US, right? And Granny passed, no, the daughter-in-law, right? The father usually, American father usually comes and carves the turkeys as a family tradition, right? But the day of the turkey baking, Granny passed and see the turkey and she cut it up. she do a curry stew. She dropped a big red pepper on top. So Granny come out with it. So the daughter-in-law father and the mother almost get a heart attack. You know, so the contrast of characters is so funny, of cultures is so funny. So that's the future of Granny. Granny gets into a lot of trouble.
Yeah, but that's excellent. So you're in the downtime.
Yes, so that's kind of, you know, what am I doing in the future? Because I've always been like that, where now I don't want to say bored, but I've done that on a company like Nikki Land. Perfect example, their children grew up with Nikki Land. I have it on pause right now to see where I can take Nikki Land, the next step for Nikki Land. Yeah, so I'm always doing new things, I'm always thinking of what to do next. Yeah, so you have a lot still to come. I'm 50-ish, but I ain't over yet. I have things to do.
I'm so glad that you have time to kind of just spend with us. Yeah, the ice cream, because we want to celebrate you right after this proper celebration.
Ooh.
Yeah? We're coming back.
Mash, I'm coming to wine or something.
Nikki. Mash.
You on a budget?
Yes, I'm Mash.
You're on a budget. Very soft and I wine.
We coming back. The Queen of Comedy, Nikki Crosby. Right there.
So,